Hey there, how you doing? This is Master Yoshi here, and if you're tired of searching for 7th gear, knowing your bike only got 6 of them, well, thank the good Lord for gear indicators. And I'm going to show you how to install one here today on a 2009 Honda CBR600rr. Cue the intro. All right, y'all, so the way these fairings go together, you see this tab right here? This piece and this piece are supposed to fit together. So I shouldn't be able to take this off without removing this first, but since I didn't put them back together right, I'll be able to just take out these three, 1, 2, and 3, and I should be able to just, yeah. All right, so I won't be able to record this because the tripod and camera will be in the way, but got some separation here. So what I'm going to do is, I covered this with some blue painter's tape just so I don't get it all scratched up. I'm going to snake this through this, bring it out that other side over here, snake it back up, and attach it over here. Then with the rest of the wire, I'm going to make it follow these wires here, back up through under here, and then coming out over here. All right, so this is where the relay will plug into. Not the relay. This is actually the turn signal relay. But where the gear indicator will plug into is this one right here. And there's a little clip right in here. So if you just lift that up, you just use your fingernail really. Lifting it up that way. Lifting it up this way to release it, and you should be able to just pop it off. So while we're here, I figured I'd show you how I installed this little female adapter so you can charge your GoPro, your phone, all that when you got it, sitting on your Master Yoshi phone mount. But anyways, don't mind this Velcro right here. It looks kind of tacky, but there's Velcro right here. This is a pretty strong adhesive. And I glued this one onto the actual charger part itself, just so it will stay nice and fixed there. And I took that same route. Can't see it now. Well, yes, you can. The red and black wire. I got that running all the way back, coming through here, going through my trunk, and stopping here. Then I have another one running from here to my battery. And this has a fuse. And so when I need that charger, I'll just plug these two up so I can get power to it, because I didn't feel like splicing into a tail light or anything to get that to only be running, to only have power going to it when the bike is on. Because if I just plug it up as is, or if I ran this straight to the battery, then there'd always be power going to it. And that's how you can kill your battery. So I only plug those up when I need it. But anyways, we got this routed. And it just plugs in right there. All right, so there's really only one way this thing can go. And as far as all this wire here, yeah, I got a lot of loose wire. I'll just kind of make it do what it do. That should be fine. But this can only go one way. And we'll also tuck this up in here. And bam. All right, y'all, so the instructions say once you turn the ignition on, it should count backwards from 6 to 1. So we'll go ahead and start this up. We in neutral. That's learning mode. Once it displays 1, I'll shift up in the first gear. But first you gotta put the kickstand up.